Hello, welcome to Xiangqi. Xiangqi is a Chinese chess game for two players that works very similarly to the Western chess game. In my Xiangqi turn project, I made the game playable for two human players, each taking turn on the same device. To start playing, we select Play Xiangqi on the intro screen. On the left side is the chessboard. Here the player taking turn can select any piece and make any legal move on the board. As we see on the right, there's the player taking turn with a timer below. When the timer expires, the player simply loses. You might question, what if I'm not familiar with the game at all, and the game simply looks confusing with all the Chinese characters? No worries. Here we can toggle the help mode, showing us all the legal moves for a selected piece, with a brief description of what it does on the right. To save and load, we simply click Save and load the game in the intro screen. That's it for Xiangqi. I hope you find it interesting and will try it out sometimes. Thank you for watching.